Setting up a bit of the back.
Okay, so the last time this particular car was at the Velodrome, it was in buggy guys.
Yes.
And now it's got the
conversion kit, so it's sitting way lower.
And the low profile biddy design body.
Yep. So this thing will be a weapon.
Yes.
Although I rebuilt it this morning so that it may actually be substandard.
Do you think bits will come off it? Because that would be exciting.
I don't think so, because I did them up pretty tight.
Oh, did you? Oh, okay.
Mainly in the hope that next time Brett has to try and undo them, because some of them were pretty tight anyway. Pretty tight.
Oh, look at this. You've cut out the back end of the body to allow the air to escape. But the great thing about this body is it's still so stiff. Okay, so when the wind hits the rear wing, it's still giving downforce. That's right.
But we might end up having to cut this.
That's right, because sometimes that adds too much drag, right?
Yeah.
It forces the front end up.
People don't realise you need to have a lot of flow through on these bodies to get them to work. And sometimes
side dams are very important, though.
Yes, with stability. I know both Tony P and John Canellis, they have big ass side dams like on the I forgot what, some sort of
like
stock cars and stuff in the US. Because sometimes you want that stability, because these things are a little bit of a handful.
That's right. Okay, so we'll see how the HR1.
That will be.
That's going to fly, isn't it?
That will be.
It's got some GRP tyres on it.
Brand new GRP tyres.
No, I'm confident that's going to go very, very well.
All
the A-scale GT cars tend to handle that surface beautifully, don't they?
Yeah.
And on rails.
But we couldn't have a Velodrome
without the Panda Car.
Without the Panda Car.
All right, so here we go. We've got the Panda Car. And you can see it's been sitting around because we've got some dust sitting on it.
It's covered in dust.
That's right. It's only for Velodrome. We don't use it for anything else.
It just sits on the wall. But the important thing is, if we turn it around, is the rockets have been loaded.
That's right.
I loaded them in this morning. So it should be ready to go. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the E-size rockets that we used last time, so they're the next size down. But to be honest, it's all about the spectacle, isn't it? I mean, it doesn't matter.
Last time, looking at the video, it might have been a little bit much for it, because it did kick it sideways.
Yeah, that might have just been Brett being shit, though. although, to be honest, I mean, he had no idea what was going to happen when he hit that.
No, none of us did.
None of us did.
None of us did.
We couldn't test it. We only had 2 E-size rockets.
That's right.
So we didn't even know if it would work.
Yes, but that's been proven now, isn't it?
We know that it works.
It's been trialled.
So
it's been the shakedowns happened.
Yep.
And now it's just going to run again.
Yep. So this is its sole purpose in life.
Yes.
For this FSR 1/7 car. It's a biddy design Camaro body. And I'm also running an FSR 1/7 car. Well, not car. I'm running the pickup truck. So that hasn't run since the first time either.
And this size of car seems to work really well at the Velodrome.
Yeah.
And when you've got a whole heap of them, they look fantastic.
They look awesome. Much easier to see. They're a bit easier to drive too, because a 10 scale car or something, when it spins out, it's gone and you can't do anything about it.
Yes.
These things, you've got a bit of a chance to catch them, and and it works.
They're a bit more stable too, aren't they?
Although I haven't driven mine.
Oh, haven't you?
Tim drove it last time.
Tim drove it last time.
Tim drove it last time, so I've never actually driven my own car. That's not unusual.
Yeah.
But,
that's good, isn't it?
Yeah. So the Panda's getting another run.
Yes.
In memory of our great mate Willie Chang. We've got can we go to the top?
Top, there you go.
Top for a second. So there's the stop, Panda time.
Yep.
The angry Panda, although he wasn't an angry guy, but
that's all your handiwork.
Yeah. The whole car is mine.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm not in a great hurry to paint
another one like this.
Another one like this.
No, fair enough. Fair enough.
No, it's a lot of work.
Yes.
It's an awful lot of work and a lot of paint.
Oh.
The igniter bit me.
Did it now? All right.
This will be fun.
It will be.
This will be
fun.
All
right, so Panda time's coming out again.